In this video, I'll show you how to screen record with audio on your iPhone. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. The first thing we're gonna do is swipe down from the top right corner. And in case you don't have the screen recording option on your control center, we're gonna go ahead and add it by tapping on this plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now you're gonna tap on add a control and you're gonna search for screen recording. Once you have added to your control center, go ahead and tap somewhere on your screen and that way you're gonna save it. So since I'm screen recording my phone to show you this, the only thing that you will see different is that the little icon is not gonna be showing as recording with that red color, but what you're gonna do is just the same thing. You're gonna tap on screen record and you're gonna hold it, and then you're gonna see this microphone option. And if it's off, all you have to do is tap on it and enable it. That way your phone is gonna start recording your screen and your audio. And that's it. Hope that helps.